Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I am gonna lose all my money and I'm gonna lose everything. And honestly, like, I make these videos because I get money out of them. That's the simple fact of it. So I started a MedMan. I have the cash now. MedMan may shoot up. MedMan may go to $4. People will come around and tell me I'm an idiot for selling MedMan because I sold MedMan at $3.54. MedMan could skyrocket the next day to $4. Or $5, but the charts are telling me it's not. So I mean, it could. People call me an idiot for selling out MedMan. Okay, yeah, I'm an idiot for selling out MedMan. That's fine. I don't care. That was my decision. I wanted some cash, and I had a choice between selling Afria or MedMan, and I chose to sell MedMan. And there's another reason why I sold MedMan too. It's because just if you look at MedMan's earnings report, right? They had $29.9 million worth of 50% revenue. Next quarter, they're going to have about $35 million with about 51% revenue. So they make about, $50 million gross profit. The general administration and the sales and marketing last quarter lost them 61, like in total after everything, like after you take the gross margin out. They lost about $61 million last quarter, and the quarter before that, look at this, $125 million loss for 26 weeks ending December 29. This company is bleeding money like no tomorrow. They're bleeding a lot of investors' money. They're losing about $60 million per quarter. And then on top of that, next quarter, they did sell that asset, so they're going to get about $30+ million. But their revenue and their expenses are not going to change that dramatically. So they're still going to be losing about $20 to $30 million next quarter. At least is my prediction. They could be a profit. If they do, that stock will skyrocket. If they lost like maybe $5 million, it still might rocket. But if they lose like 20 or 28 or $30 million, I think the stock's going down further. The stock could recover, or the stock could go down to $2. So, I'm making a choice to wait it out until earnings is over, and that's my decision. So people don't hate me for it, but whatever, I don't care. I could go bankrupt. That's what people telling me on it. I could go bankrupt. I am investing in high risk companies because I'm a strange person. I want to keep growing my money. I'm very greedy. It's just, that's the way I am. It's just the way I am. I could be investing into safer company like Disney or Intel or, like some kind of oil company or a bank. Banks, it might get affected in crashes, but it will always recover and they'll give me dividends. So at least my money will always get dividends. So, I could do that, but I don't want to. Those are boring stocks. I want to invest into something that is more risky, like Aurora, and Canopy is not really risky, but I'm not invested into Canopy, or Afria. Yeah, Afria is risky, or Tesla, that's my goal. Like, it was a choice between Afria and MedMan, and I kept Afria, not sell off Afria because I wanted more money. I decided to sell off MedMan and took the loss. I lost about $80,000 on MedMan. Yeah, that's a lot of money. But if you have to think about it, I had almost $3 million at one point when Aurora was $14 per share. And my money I lost like literally over $1 million off Aurora stock because I didn't sell it at the all-time highs. So yeah, people call me an idiot for selling MedMan. Fine, I'm an idiot for selling MedMan. MedMan could skyrocket the next day. I don't know. I don't care. The charts are telling me that's going to downtrend. That's what the charts are telling me. We'll see what happens. If the stock pops, skyrockets, awesome, great. Another company that I may lose a lot of money on is Tesla. I'm willing to bet on Tesla. Tesla could go bankrupt. You know, there's a possibility something wrong could go in China, and you know, or the Tesla cars in China somehow, no, loses public like fame or brand, and you know the public doesn't like Tesla anymore, and they go NIO and other car manufacturer and just stay away from Tesla. That's a possibility. If Tesla fails in China, the company could go bankrupt, or very possible to go bankrupt. Tesla really needs to succeed in China. If they succeed in China, their stock will be rewarded big time, in my opinion. Yes, Tesla is risky. But you know, I'm willing to take the risk on Tesla, just like I'm willing to take the risk on Candras. Like Afria and Aurora. I should have put some money into Candras. I'm an idiot for not doing it. I know $5.60 would have been a really nice entry point. It still may downtrend. This is, you know, this may not be the end of it. Aurora is still having earnings. I sold Madman for basically Aurora. There's a possibility that Aurora cannabis stock will go all the way down, back down to $8 after earning. You know, who would have said CanTrust was gonna go near $6? Like, how many people would have thought CanTrust was gonna go back down to like $5.36? Like, you know, so can Aurora go back to $8? Absolutely. I absolutely think Aurora can go back down to $8. I'm saving my money to buy Aurora stock if it does. You know, I could have went bankrupt with Aurora. I bought Aurora right around December, around $2.34. You know, Aurora could have went back to 50-60 cents, but it didn't. It went up. So I could have lost a lot of money and went bankrupt with Aurora. I could have went, AMD could have bankrupt. AMD could have bankrupt, but I didn't think AMD was gonna bankrupt, so I kept buying more shares. And what happened? It rewarded me. I sold out around here, and then I funneled that money into Aurora Cannabis. If I kept holding, I would have made pretty decent return regardless. So, I could have went bankrupt with AMD. I could go bankrupt with Aurora, but I didn't. So, and both Aurora and AMD, they are both companies that are well aware by the public now. They used to be like, nobody used to care about them. Now everyone's talking about them. So I picked true winners in the past. I'm thinking Tesla is going to be a true winner. Madman, there's so many things wrong with them, but I still think Madman could be bought out by Kronos. That's what I believe. But in the short term, I think the stock's going down further because they're losing. They're bleeding a lot of investor money. They're getting sued. And yeah, the money from Kronos, from Gotham Green Brands is nothing more than to support like Madman to keep its operations going. So that's what I think. I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see if Madman keeps going down or up. So I mean, it could pop tomorrow. I don't know. I think that's it. That's it for my video. I hope that's 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Wow, okay, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm doing a lot of research on Tesla right now, and I want to do a dedicated video on Tesla. I think Elon Musk is he's a genius. I think. I don't know if he's a genius, but he's very passionate, and I don't know. He could have just ran away with his $165 million PayPal. He didn't have to risk it all into Tesla, but he did, and it's crazy. His story is so crazy. I've been doing a lot of research on Elon Musk, and he has such a crazy story. He almost lost everything, but he didn't. And now Tesla's still under pressure, but he's still worth $20 billion right now. That's crazy. And I don't know. Aurora has an interesting story too. But yeah, I know Aurora's story. I don't know if most people here does, but I know Aurora's story. I know I feel like I know Aurora like the most, like out of every single company, because I've been following them for like literally 3 years now. It's crazy. Such a long story, such a long history. I honestly believe Aurora will be a company that will be around for a while, and there's a possibility. I believe Aurora could be a blue chip company in the future. At least that's just my opinion. I don't know if that will actually happen. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please don't take any of my advice. I make high risk bets, and people keep watching my videos, so I keep making these videos. I do plan to make high quality videos. I plan to maybe make a more, safe channel, talk about less risky stocks in the future, like a new channel that stays away from risky stocks like Aurora and, Can Trust, and, just talk about the stock market in general and safe dividend stocks, and, and then and I'll call it like Financial Educational Channel 3, and hope Jeremy doesn't get mad at me and try to ban my channel. I'm just kidding. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.